Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest notifications. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest notifications, you should just go to Pinterest. After that, in this page, you will click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this list, you will go to click on this window of Pinterest. As you see, here in this list of app info, you will click on Force Stop and you will click OK. Then in this page, you will click on Force Stop. Here we go to click Storage. And after that, we click Clear Cache. When you will end this, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next